Hi, my name is Laquana Douglas, and I am the Employment Support Specialist here at Mental Health Association of Rochester. For today's Wellness Wednesday, I'm going to talk about taking sick days off from work for mental health wellness. Let's start with the trend. There are employers who group together vacation, personal days, and sick time into what is referred to as PTO, or paid time off. In these cases, employees have a specific amount of time off to use for any reason. Then there's disability leave, which can be offered to some employees who need to miss work for weeks or months at a time. Calling in sick or taking unplanned time off is not as popular as it was years ago. Hence the old cliche, playing hooky. A phrase once overused, now no one is saying it anymore. Nowadays, the doctor's number is on speed dial for that handy dandy doctor's note, and despite sniffles, sneezes, coughs, and mood swings, people are showing up to work even when they really shouldn't. This is called presenteeism, and it costs businesses billions each year in lost productivity. Fact is, there's no better reason to stay home than having an actual illness or sickness symptoms. Taking time off at the first sign of illness makes it less likely that you'll need to be out of work for an extended period of time because of illness. But more often than not, physical illness is viewed as an acceptable reason for not reporting to work, while unfortunately, mental illness is not seen in the same light. But if you're uncomfortable disclosing, try this approach. I'm not feeling well today, but I hope to be in tomorrow. In most cases, this should really be all that you need to say. Calling in sick may not be an easy decision to make, but feel empowered to make decisions to maintain your mental wellness. Now let's take a minute to think boldly. Have you ever thought about saying to your supervisor, I just need a mental health day? Or have you thought about really how productive would you be at work if you're not feeling well? And sometimes just taking one day off is just not going to cut it. If you can schedule a few days off in advance to dedicate to tending to your mental wellness, then great. Otherwise, throwing caution to the wind for the sake of taking care of yourself, that spur of the moment time off could be just what you need to feel better. On the other hand, it's wise to be mindful of workplace policies and procedures and refer to your company's handbook and ask questions if you need to. But remember, self-care is also important. Many businesses will allow a set number of illness-related absences for the year. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with your employer's standards and guidelines as they pertain to attendance. Mental health is just as important as physical health. In a perfect world, sick days for mental health would be standard for all. Every workplace climate would be one that supports mental wellness, and all employers would make it a top priority to create an environment where it's safe for the employees to talk about what's bothering them. And with that thought, take that sick day when needed and make the most of it. Eat well, hydrate, rest, do something you enjoy, exercise, read and write, talk to a friend or a relative, send a text, practice deep breathing, whatever wellness tool works for you. The goal is maintaining mental wellness, and you may need a sick day from work to accomplish that goal. This has been Laquana Douglas, Employment Support Specialist, for this week's Wellness Wednesday. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or give our office a call at 585-325-3145. You can also visit our website at mharochester.org. Until next time, be kind to yourself.